In this video, I will show you how to download and use the skeleton of the project. So in the GitHub, we can see this green button and we can download zip. Now that we have our zip folder, we can unzip it. And to open in the VS Code, we have to go to the folder that we downloaded. And in this folder, we have this subfolder called templates. So I will go to that. And we have Android. And here we have our client Android skeleton. So to open only this folder on the VS Code, we can type code space dots. And here is our skeleton. But before installing the dependencies, we have to configure our environment, and for that we have a tutorial here that is on the solution description. And if you go all the way to the client stage Android device, you have this hands-on tutorial. That is a PDF that has all the steps to configure your environment in Windows, on Linux, and also on Mac. So you have to install all these dependencies and configure your environment before trying to run the skeleton. So here in the skeleton, the first thing that you have to do after your environment is ready, you can click on the terminal and open a new terminal. And in this file package JSON, you have all the dependencies that I use to build this screen. So I have React Native async storage, I have React Native masked view, and to work well we have to install all these dependencies. So for that I will type npm install. Okay, now all the dependencies is installed, and if we go to this file app.js, you have the skeleton with the methods that you are going to implement to work well with the project.